So today we have with us Ms. Sonia Sahni, the co-founder of Verdicart, and we congratulate you on behalf of
Thank
our India.
you.
And Ms. Sonia, firstly, we would like to know, with so much negativity around this quick commerce and e-commerce, now coming up with your own Verdicart, how do you position it?
I think we are not actually positioning us as a e-commerce platform. It is of course an e-commerce platform, not competing with the big ones or quick commerce, because we are of the belief that this is a quality movement. This is a platform that will essentially feature only quality products. And as you would understand, our process that we've spoken about, the 4-step process, takes time, right? You need to evaluate products, you need to physically test products, right? You need to look at lab verification of these products. It cannot be as quick as quick commerce or any other platform where largely things don't get evaluated like that. So it's very different. It's essentially keeping the consumer at the heart of it. That whenever people come at Verdicart, there is enough trust that they have when they go and choose products for which they're ready to wait, right? So that's really for us Verdicart versus other platforms.
Okay, and you were mentioning about Worthy AI. So, what is it? How different? How will it will create a differentiation of? How will it bring differentiation in Verdicart as compared to the competing? Though you don't have much of the competition,
Right.
but still, how will you compete with them? Will you be using it as a competing proposition?
I think I will come from the space of the consumer again, not competition. Mm-hmm. I would say the Worthy AI truly stands for what we started with, our vision. Mm-hmm. Our vision primarily was to hold customers' hand, to give them the confidence of quality products, right? And the AI for us essentially extends to that. It essentially is like your personal shopping assistant. So whenever you're on the platform, you get the right product recommendations from there.
Okay, and what is next? How and where all
yeah.
AI will be used?
As a company, we truly believe in the power of tech. We've all seen how AI is revolutionizing businesses. Look at what's happening in the medical space with clinical trials, like the sheer ability of data it can process, right? So we would want to leverage at every touch point of our business AI, and we have really gone for the most evolved technologies in terms of AI. So it will extend more towards consumer experiences. Like we would be launching our recommendations soon. Our search already has AI built into it. We already have a personal assistant, which is conversational commerce, that is there. And future, in terms of other, other verticals within our business, we will be leveraging AI.
Okay.
So we are going to be a deep tech company. Yeah.
Okay. So with AI, two major concerns are customer data security. Secondly, the biased information sometimes that it provides. How are you going to keep a track of it?
So customer data, the way the technology is being built is always going to be in our own on our own servers. That's the way we look at it. It will not be open to large language modules. That's what it is. We are very going to be absolutely very sure about that. And your second question was on
the information, biased information.
Biased information. So that's where, as I said, our AI, Worthy AI, is powered by our experts. It's their knowledge that we put up in the AI, and whatever we are putting out, so the whole process is that it picks up the intelligence of the expert before it goes and picks up other information that is available.
That brings me to the last thing.
Yeah.
Now that you're telling me about your team, how big is your team as of now, and what are your expansions?
So specific, the tech team. The tech team for us currently, we have partnered with a very strong team. They're extended partners that we work with. Eventually, we will bring it in. Currently, we are working with partners.
Can I have some names?
Agent Analytics is one of our partners who's building the AI for us. Yeah.
Thank you.